So today I have some things from Christmas, and these are some of the last things from Christmas. So I will be using Bow. This is magnetic nail polish and it's called Meteorite. It's here. For stamping I will be using clear jelly stamper. And these, they don't have names, but it's number 044. I will be using Born Pretty Black stamping polish. Base coat, I will use Essence, the new one from Essence. Magnet from Mazura. Top coat, I'll use Moira. This is a Moira Snow Smudge top coat, and or I'm not sure, I will use Seche vite. Moyou Artist, and this is number 27. So I have been very excited to try this plate because I love the images on it.
Own it, girl, you just own it. Cause your body's on fire. Show me how to control it. Then go ahead, you flip and get higher. Girl, I love how you roll it. I put my hand there. Hold it, I'ma be right by you. I'ma be right by you. I'ma be right by you. I'ma be right by you.
Lighters up, one time lighters up. Pulled up in the party when you saw me, I was lighting up my J. So go ahead and brighten up my day. Lighters in the air when you're lighting up the rave. And it's feeling like I met you here before. Girl, I felt your presence when they let you through the door. Never had a brother give you everything and more. So I take a little piece and then the rest of it is yours, me and more.
You don't dare when I don't they tell you. But can you taste and I play? I don't know where till you they do me. We just they start out my brain.
Fuck loving when I put you in your place. I can tell you love it just by looking in your face. It's the way that you wind up your waist. I'm so in awe, girl, you never have to worry about nothing. You know it's yours, you know you
own it. Girl, you just own it. Cause your body's on fire. Show me how to control it. be right by.
Lights down for the one I love right now. You never look better. Forget our friends, girl. I love it when we chill together. Ain't nobody gonna feel what we feel together. She wanna kiss, I want another one. You got a sick vibe, I want it one-on-one. Up to now, nobody knew where I was coming from, but we got the same mind, so I don't wanna waste time. Bring it to me, my mind, that's what I need. That's right, kissing your cheek one time. I used to love being alone, but now I can't stand it. Reaching on my palm for you to put your hand in. Girl, you are the one, and I don't understand it. How you lighting up the room with your glow. Cause girl, you just own it. Girl, you just own it. Cause your body's on fire. Show me how to control it. Go hit this cliff and get higher. Girl, I love how you roll it. I put my hand up. Hold it, I'ma be right by ya. I'ma be right by ya. I'ma be right by ya. I'ma be right by ya.
This is the finished design. So the camera doesn't like shiny things. This is the finished design. It's really a beautiful polish, this one. It's like green, but it also has this kind of I don't know what to call it, but this other color, shade of another color. It's really pretty. So this is really an amazing polish, really beautiful color. And I can show you how strong it is. Super strong. Really beautiful. I really recommend it. If you're into magnetic polish, then this is one to buy. Thank you for watching. If you like my design, please hit the thumbs up. Bye.
It's no sweat, it's no sweat.